guys don't know, we're doing a giveaway, and it is 10x entries right now until 12 p.m. The giveaway is ending tonight at 12 p.m. EST. Every dollar you spend gets you 10 entries into the giveaway, which wins you wheels, coilovers, and a full roll of vinyl wrap. So go get entered. The store is live, simpleclothing.co. We got a bunch of awesome clothing pieces and brand new fresh designs for you guys to go check out. Link is in the description. Don't miss your chance to win a complete transformation kit for your car. Another quick reminder to go check out simpleclothing.co. We are live with 10x entries into our latest giveaway. We got a ton of awesome pieces like this corduroy Simple Clothing Co. cap dad hat right here. Bunch of awesome shirt designs. This one right here, the Porsche one, is my favorite. So every dollar you spend gets you 10 entries to win a complete transformation kit for your vehicle. The winner receives their choice of wheels from our partners over at Offsets, their choice of color for a full roll of vinyl wrap, and high quality coilovers. So don't miss out. Link is in the description, simpleclothing.co. Go check it out. Don't miss your chance to get 10x entries. You get entered now, you'll have the highest chance of winning this transformation kit for your car. Go check it out.
It definitely goes.
Holy crap.
The video doesn't do it justice, man.
Yeah,
it really doesn't.
It doesn't. Oh my God.
Once you feel the VTEC hit,
yeah, you can feel it kick.
Lag, lag, lag.
Yep.
It gets up a little bit and then VTEC hits.
Yep, it kicks hard. Alright, we're gonna get a flyby.
Okay, we're good.
Thank you guys for tuning into this build. Once again, the store is 10x entries in the giveaway. Every dollar you spend gets you 10 entries. The giveaway ends tonight at 12 p.m. So get entered, don't miss out to win a complete transformation kit for your car, your own choice of wheels from our partner at Offsets, your own choice of color for the vinyl wrap from Vivid Vinyl, and high quality coilovers. So don't miss out, link is in the description. Thank you to Konig for sending out these wheels, Raceland for the coilovers. Huge shout out to the guys over at 732 Goonies Garage for helping me bring this project to life. Link is in the description for their channel. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Maybe we'll do a giveaway soon with a car. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.